Check it out, guys. I learned a hard lesson last night. Remember, I challenged Mother Nature to give me some snow? I think I even cussed. I think I even said, damn it. Hang on, I want to show you what happened last night and the consequences. Now, you go challenging Mother Nature to the impossible, you're in trouble, son. Now, we got the snow I demanded of her. You see the driveway and the little piles along the edges. Well, my tractor worked gloriously. Now, let me close the door and let's go look out back at the antennas. Hang on. Now, I'm babbling, and I tend to do that and ruin my videos, if that's possible. Can you ruin trash and garbage? The Michigan cacti survived. Let's go look at my 20-meter ultra-low dipole. It's copping a sag. Now, it's hard for me to see in the glare, but that pole's doing okay. But look, got a little saggage, boys. And the center insulator. Now, I've been collecting contacts to make a video using this ridiculously glorious working antenna, right? And you can see the snow accumulation. And look at this. Look at the support pole. Is that an antenna fail? Hell no. You're going to tell me I can't dump some power into that? But the problem is the fallen branch. Now, you see this wire here? Look at this crap, man. Look at that crap, man. Got some heavy snow, man. And that branch hit the deck. It broke. And what's that wire? That wire's my 40-meter dipole, man. Well, I guess if I want to work on the feed line, it's there at nose level. Focus. Wah, wah. Well, I tried. Yeah, so that's the 40-meter dipole hit the deck. Let's see. Look at this, man. Check the snow and ice accumulation out on my 80-meter Wonder Wire. Hang on. I'll pause you. Check it out, man. I wish I could focus when I zoom in, but I can't. I can't even see anything. My Wonder Wire survived. Except, hang on. So that's my 180-meter end fed. Looks like we copped us a little hookage on that branch. Yeah, that's not too cool. It'll melt and the branch will rise off the wire. I wish you could see where in the tree that thing goes, but I have no idea, man. I just threw the thing. After 20 throws, the weight went really high, and I called that a day. The 80-meter Wonder Wire works gloriously on 80 meters and 160 meters. And, oh boy. Yes, it does. And you see the main problem with my antennas. I'm going to pause you again. Hang on. I wondered where that screwdriver was. Been looking everywhere for it. And so, the moral of the lesson. Hey, dude. What's going on, you little weirdo? Yeah, copping a chill. You just chilling. I challenged that hoary old hag, Mother Nature. Hoary. It means hairy. I challenged her to both snow for the snowplow and sunshine for the garden. I challenged her to the impossible. She had to make a choice. She did, and she struck. Loose lips sink ships. Hey, how can you tell when a lawyer or a politician is lying? Their lips are moving. 73.